Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and wishing a very good day for our lecturer Sir Muhammad Sharin Amri bin Muhammad Noor, especially in this unprecedented day. This is a presentation from our group 8 for the semiconductor project for the wafer mounting process.
So, in this project, it has three methods, and thirdly is fully automated. Okay, for the manual method, we use two different kind of tools, and that is roller and blade. This method is saving the cost of this process, but at the same time, the outcome perfectness of the mounted wafer will lacking. The chances of negative criteria on the mounted wafer will show drastically. When using this method, it usually takes more time, which cause low productivity. Okay, next is for semi-automated. In this method, we use the semi-auto wafer mounter. Semi-automated is referring to an equipment that have been used by the user itself. This equipment is affordable and can produce a nice and good looking mounted wafer. This equipment has been built with the right tools in it. Okay, so lastly, the fully automated. We use fully auto wafer mounter. For this section, fully automated is a method that 100% use a machine process. No more manual method, no more manual and no more semi. It's fully 100% machine process. This machine is called wafer mounter. This method will make the cost of become higher because the wafer mounter machine is so expensive. But on the other side, the mounted wafer that been produced will highly look perfect with no negative criteria on the mounted wafer. The example of negative criteria is crack, scratch, or air bubbles on the mounted wafer, on the surface of the mounted wafer.
Material and equipment. These are the list of material and equipment that used for this project: mirror wafer, mounting tape, wafer ring, and knife. First, mirror wafer, which act as the very foundation for built-in and on the wafer for microelectronic product. Second, the mounting tape. Mounting tape are what bind the mirror wafer and wafer ring together. Third, the wafer ring, which will keep the mounted wafer safe until completion. And lastly, a knife. Knife mainly used for cutting excess of mounting tape.
Hi, I am Lakshmigandan. I'm going to explain about our proposed idea. Our mounting machine is based on semi-automatic method. We use this method because it is easier to build. By looking at this mounting machine, we are able to identify some key features, which are lock mechanism, moving bar, cutting mechanism, and magnetic frame holder. As we can see, the locking mechanism is used to lock the cutting mechanism at one place. The cutting mechanism is freely spinnable and able to damage mirror wafer while inserting it if the user is not careful. To prevent that incident, we use locking mechanism to lock it at one place. After that, the magnet frame holder is used for hold the wafer ring at one place, which can prevent the wafer ring from shaking. The sponge roller is used to remove bubble while mounting process is done. The roller is rolled on the wafer ring and mirror wafer so that the mounting tape is stick evenly to the surface and there is no air bubble inside the mirror wafer after the mounting process. The moving part of the machine is U metal frame, which hold the lock and cutting mechanism. After the mounting process, the U metal is moved to the middle and the cutting mechanism is unlocked, and it can be cut according to the wafer ring size. It can be adjusted according to the wafer ring size. Next, I would like to explain about the flow chart involved in the mounting process. First step, place the wafer ring on the mounting machine. Second, The mirror wafer is placed upside down as the mirror part is facing down and dull part is facing upwards. The third step is pull the mounting tape over wafer ring and mirror wafer. Make sure it covers both the items completely. The fourth step is using knife cut unused mounting tape at the end of the mounting tape. The fifth is using roller sponge to prevent air bubble from mirror wafer surface. The sixth step is the metal wiring is pulled to the middle position and the lock is released. It is ready to be cut. The seventh step is start cutting excessive mounting tape. The eighth step is the excess mounting tape is removed and we can move back the metal bar at the initial point. So the mounting process is done successfully.
Okay, now for this section, as you can see, this is all the listed material that we will buy and we will use for our making of this project. So the first item on the list is the aluminium frame. We will buy only one and the price is only 43 ringgit and 75 cents. Okay, next is U-shaped aluminium. The price of this item is only 30 ringgit for one unit. Okay, next is cutting mechanism. This item we will buy for about 15 ringgit and 20 cents for only one unit. Okay, next is locking hinge. The price is only 70 ringgit and 95 cents for one unit. And then we will buy magnet disc on our project, and this is the cheapest item in the list, so it will cost only 2 ringgit for one unit, but we will need 8 unit for this item. Okay, lastly, the sponge roller, we will only need one unit. The price is only 28 ringgit and 50 cent. Okay, so the overall cost for our expenses for this project making, we will consume for about 151 ringgit and 60 cent.
Conclusion. After reach the completion of this project, students greatly understood about wafer mounting process, which further enhanced students to make perfect wafer without rejected wafer by using suitable method. All this will ensure an optimized usage of mounting tape, avoiding any unnecessary waste left over.